CSS Mastery Series. So we are mastering Flexbox Part 1. So this is day 23. Hello coding enthusiasts, Krishna Sharma here from Kredict and welcome to day 23 of our CSS Mastery Series. Today we are diving into a game-changing layout technique which is called Flexbox. If you are ready to revolutionize your layout designs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more coding adventures. So first we have introduction to Flexbox. Flexbox or the flexible box layout is a powerful CSS layout model that make easier to design complex layout with a dynamic and efficient approach. In today's video, we will kick off our exploration with the basics of Flexbox. So first we will see Flexbox container and flex items. At the core of Flexbox is the concept of a flex container that holds flex item. This simple structure opens up a world of possibilities for creation, responsive and fluid layout. So display flags enabling the Flexbox. So to begin using Flexbox, you have to just need to apply display flags to a container. This transforms the container and its direct children into flexible element. This is very amazing topic. So let's make a index.html. So here I will paste this example and you will get clarify with the Flexbox technique. So you can see here we have first a parent container div with name Flexbox, and in this we have three flex items which is class name flex items. So here last we have this is a paragraph outside the flex the container. So here we have flex container which is we are giving a flex display flex and border some border and padding, and here we have flex items we give the border padding and margin. Let's see how this is placing. So first I want to show you, first I will just comment this style. Without style how this is, let's see. Here we have this you are getting. So let's give some style to it. So now you can see the flag box. Let's give some background color also. You can see here you have flex item with a flex container. I hope you are getting this. This will A-game your layout. So flex direction. This flex direction property determines the primary axis along with the flex item are placed. So as defaulted in the flex item is placed to the rows. So let's see. So as defaulted is a row, but we have to create a vertical layout with column. So you have to just give a flex direction column to your container. So I will just copy this and paste in our flex container. You can see your flex items are in the row. I hope you are getting this. If I give some width and height to your flex items, so let's give some height like 200 pixel and width 300 pixel to every container. You can see you have this container. I hope you are getting this. So this is very interesting concept. So if you are excited about diving into Flexbox, hit like and share your thoughts in the comment. Subscribe for more daily coding adventures. Tomorrow we will continue our Flexbox journey with laying and justifying content within Flex container. Stay tuned. So thanks for joining me on day 23. So here you have another example you have to, if you want to see, I want to just show you an amazing example. I will just give a same height and width to a container, and I want to just clarifying you some justify between properties like justify. If I want to give a justify content, so all the property you have to give in the parent container. I will give justify content like space between. Space you have three properties: space around, space evenly, and space between. I want to give a space between. So you can see all the elements are on the, just I want to give some height and width to a parent container. Like I want to give a 500 pixel, sorry, 5000 pixel, and width 100%. So you can see the all container are taking their place at the corners. I hope you are getting this. I hope you are familiar with the justify content. So thanks for joining me on day 23. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Let's flex our layout muscles and create design that stand out.